Dylan and I are here at Post Canyon. It's just him and I. It is a beautiful, like summer-like day. However, we're already in fall. We're gonna do some rides up at Bad Motor Scooter Grand Prix, and it sounds like we're even gonna do a Mitchell Ridge lap, and then we'll end it with a lot of fun down here at Family Man. So we will see you guys at the top. Oh man, it feels great out here. Woo-wee. We're here, we're here. The colors.
You honestly don't get this anywhere else. Look at all those cool boats down there in the water on the far left.
That's true.
And we can do more than one too. We can
That's
do
true.
more than two.
Well, yeah, we'll come right back up after this
We're
one.
doing a second lap for sure.
For
we
sure.
can do more than two if we want. Into the woods we go.
Into the woods we go. Have fun
Don't die.
and stay straight. Bad Motor Scooter, lap 1. Woohoo! Whoa, whoa. They built that lip up different. Whew. Ooh, it got dark.
I like it.
Whoa, that's eroded. Oh, I went for it. Whoa! Careful, that's broken. Woohoo! Whoa! Woo! Yeah. You! Oh, too much. Oh.
I actually fucking sent those. I'm proud of myself.
That jump?
Uh-huh.
I saw it.
I felt good, dude. I'm scared. Woo!
Up a grand.
Have fun.
Don't die.
Stay straight.
Good shit.
Terrifying. It's like every time you have the tank.
My little heart. Woo-hoo-hoo! We both just nailed that.
Blowing.
Good old Spaghetti Factory downhill brake burner. Here we go. Woo! Ew! Ew! Okay, Mitchell Ridge. We're gonna fly, have fun,
Don't die.
stay straight. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! God, I love this one. Oh! First lap, drop out.
All right.
Taking it easy breezy.
Have fun.
Don't die.
Stay straight.
Definitely stay straight. Perfect. They built that up. Actually, not bad. The wood all looks fairly decent. I should have braked more. Yo! Yo! Woo! Speed and compression. Preload. Stay straight. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Woo! Yo! Woo! Oh, shit. That was awesome. Okay. All right. This one. Stand up. Woo! There we go. Woo! Hell yeah, dude. Have fun, don't die, and stay straight, okay? Woohoo! Overset that. There we go. Woohoo! That's the confidence, Matt. That's the confidence I need. Let's go, come on. Keep it up. Stand up. Oh, stand up. There we go. There we go. Slow it down for Dylan. There he is. Woo! All right, here it comes. Couple cranks, roots, root, keep the speed, pump. Woo! Woo! Stay to the left, it's torn. Hard turn, crank. Stand. Let's go, baby. Stand. Woo! Stand. Woo! Oh, a couple cranks. Woo! Woo! Stand straight, let's go! Oh, yes! Woo! Yeah, dude. You say that again. What's your name?
Jordan?
Jordan. You said you watched the videos?
Yeah.
That's sick.
I watched you guys crash on chutes on that one jump that was like spooked over it. I was like, oh, they got it. I could do it.
Yeah.
That was so bummer that you guys like nailed it and then
Yeah.
cascaded. And
All because of my excitement. I only fell because I was so stoked.
I know. I could see this. Yeah.
Have you been there yet?
Yeah, I've cleared that whole thing finally.
We've gotten about 95%.
That last one, it took me, I had to have someone tow me in, but it's not as bad as it looks.
Jordan, nice to meet you. Matthew, Dylan.
Matthew, Dylan.
Yeah,
dude.
you'll be on this next one, man.
Yeah, cheers.
Sounds good. Cheers. Have a good ride. Woo-wee. Good shit. Well, that's weird. That one was weird. You! Sick! You got it! I mean, yeah, it's spooky at first. I was terrified he had to get me into it. Drop is easy. You don't want speed when you come off the second feature.
It gives you the speed.
Yeah.
Try to just keep to your speed.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, boy, let's keep it going. Yo! Woo! Nice. Good shit, man. Woo! I had to brake on you. Don't die. Oh! You weren't kidding. That fucking bucks you. I was not ready for that. That f***ed me up. Wow. Whoa! Beat my pants a little bit. Amazing riding. Good job today. And that's a wrap. What's the final count?
20.53.
Amazing.